Quanto convém com a entrega no dia, ou recolhe em loja com clique.
Chasing the
Yeah, but she didn't want them in here.
history and where they came from and colonized. Maybe it's just not South America.
Yeah, might be regional.
Pois olha, eles a mim disseram que
Right, there is a train station, the biggest one.
Là, c'est quoi, château, là?
Château is where the train stopped and the most important things, the most interesting one.
It's good ice cream.
That was good ice cream. There's people up there. So put my drone up and go up there too.
Like, and plus it gets so hot. I mean, it's nice you're on the boat, but it's like,
Yeah.
heat of the day too. It's like,
Yep. So you were buying the tickets, so you didn't hear. But when I asked the guy, like, so drones, you can fly those around the city and everything here? And he's like, oh, sure, I see drones all the time. Good answer.
I see them.
He's like, don't get mad at me if you get in trouble, basically, because he was like, well, I don't know what the rules are, but I see them all the time. That's like, that is funny. No, but I'm gonna fly from here because there's no people.
I know. Lost you, were you?
Right over the top of it.
The tour boat going out?
Yep, I'm flying towards the beach over here, back
Oh,
where
I
we
see
are.
you now. Bunch of birds over by you.
Yeah, I know. They're my camouflage. I'm using them as camouflage.
They're telling on you. They're like, go away. They're
Hey,
trying to dodge you.
They're flying with me now. I'm just flying casual. Now I'm flying towards the horse statue.
Nice. Went small, I lost you.
That's good. I was hoping you would.
Oh, now I see you.
And since there's no people around the statue, I'm going in close. Let me put on the brakes, and I'm turning
I see you now.
my head tracking on so I can get really better. So it'll just track my head. Now I gotta pay attention to what my head is looking at.
You're looking out over the water.
I just flew through
How
the.
long do you want?
I just flew through. That's why they're cheering, because I flew through the horse.
Yeah. Oh, I see you now. Up to that building with whoever that is on top.